My dark circles are worse because I did not sleep, and I need to learn to do that more. Not the not sleep part, the sleep part. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really pretty look, and a lot of the things that I used, or not a lot of it, not most of it, hold on. A few things that I used for this video is from my July Ipsy, so watch and see how I've used it, how I like it. I think this whole look turned out so pretty. If you like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. To prime our face, we're going to use this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. To color correct, we're going to use this Pro Conceal by LA Girl in the color Orange. For foundation, I'm going to use this Fenty foundation in 340. I usually like to use my beauty sponge for applying foundation, but I am going to try this Zoeva foundation face curve brush that's usually used for liquid foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty sponge because I like the finish of it better. Before I conceal, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows with this NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Expresso. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. Now we're going to bake the under eyes with the Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'm going to take the rest of that powder to right underneath my contour. Now I'm going to cream contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the color Chocolate. Now I'm just going to brush away all of the powder and see what we come up with. I'm going to powder my entire face with this Maybelline Superstay Better Skin in the color 80, which is Rich Tan. Now I'm going to contour with the NYX Pro palette in the color Sepia. For my cheeks, I'm going to go in with this Glam Chick All About blush palette and use these two colors. Now for the eyes, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and just put it on my lid as a primer. I'm also going to take a brush like this and just line my underneath my brow just to make everything nice and clean and crisp. Now I'm going to go all over my lid with this Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette in the color Eden. Now I'm going to use the color Amber and put that into my crease. I'm taking that color a little bit more into my crease as well, deepen that up into my crease as well, and I'm bringing that up right below my brows. Now I'm going to take this Naked Cosmetics color in Desert Sunset and put that all over my lid. It's a loose powder, so you gotta be careful with that. I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to spray my brush and then put it on my lid so I get more pigment. Ooh. So pretty. And I'm just patting that onto my lid. Ooh, I like it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go back into Amber and just blend everything in together. I'm blending everything so the lines are not harsh. Just brushing away any of the flyaways. Oh, I really like this. I'm going to line my eyes with this Jonteblu Ultra Lasting Formula Liquid Liner in black. It's harder to do a wing liner holding a mirror in your hand. I think that looks good as far as the liner goes, but now I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes off camera and I will let you know what I used. I'm going to do my lashes with these Ardell lashes in 231 and I'm going to use this duo adhesive in black. And now for the bottom liner, I wanted to actually go in and use this eye pencil by Sugar in the color Purple Rain. Now this is something that I got in my Ipsy bag, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out. I'm just going to go right ahead and put that into my bottom lid and waterline. I'm also going to go ahead and smoke that out with this thin brush right here and bring that purple down a little bit more. I'm going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette and go in with this lighter purple and go over that purple liner that I made so that it doesn't move around too much. I'm literally just patting it on. I'm going to go into my bottom lashes with the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. For my lips, I'm going to go in with this Smashbox color in Stepping Out. This is also something that I got in my Ipsy bag. And before I started this whole tutorial, I used this BKR lip gloss that I also got from my Ipsy on my lips as a lip balm, obviously. And it has done a very good job staying throughout this whole tutorial, so I like that. Oh my goodness, I love this. That is with one application and it's beautiful. This color is just so gorgeous and it goes so well with the makeup today. Now I'm going to go into this Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette and I'm going to use these two highlighter colors to highlight my face. Oh my goodness. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of that highlight to my brow bone and my inner corners. Now to finish everything off, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just spray that all over my face. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this look and the end of our video. I hope you liked how all of this turned out. I think this is so beautiful. I wanted to use the purple liner as the main focus for this look, and I think it turned out really well. It's really nice and creamy. I was actually trying to use everything that I got from my Ipsy bag so that I can kind of like display it and show you guys how it looks. And I think the whole look turned out really nice, from the lashes to the lips to the eyes. I think the whole look is beautiful. I love how the highlighter is and everything looks so pretty. Leave a comment letting me know what part of this makeup you like the most. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my video and click that little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I love uploading videos for you guys. I loved creating this look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much and have an amazing week. Bye, love you. Oh, and if you haven't seen my Ipsy video, I will leave a link to it up here. Go watch it. Little flakes of glitter. It's the cost of using pretty eyeshadow.